Hey guys, I'm Rusa from Kolkata and you're watching my new video.
Daniel, we're out and luckily we have got a table at Chili's after a lot of phone calls. So, Daniel, say hi. He's making his own videos. He's obsessed.
Hey guys, so the previous footage or the clip was from last year. It was somewhere in the Christmas week, and we were very tense to get a table somewhere at a restaurant. You can see Daniel's also quite younger then. I wanted to use this clip to show and keep a record or the memory of this day because it was just the three of us that day and we had loads of fun. Here we allowed Daniel to choose and he chose a potato veg, of course, over broccoli and everything. And somehow right after this my sister started ranting and her mood completely
I am
flipped.
mentally and emotionally very stressed, and the reason for it is my sister Ursa Islam, who has tortured me.
Wash. Okay.
After a lovely meal, we decided to go for a long drive. And as you can see, my sister and my son is having their own little conversation about things. And here I am sitting at the back, hearing this conversation, and he's insisting her to play rhymes. And I think, as far as I can recall, after having my son, we only play rhymes and stuff like that he enjoys, and he is just asking her to play that.
Hi guys, Mama went to work.
Yes, guys, I went to work finally. This was the setup for work today, and then I took my son out for a little outing. He was playing a piano. We had a dinner to attend. The pianist was quite friendly and kind, as you can see. So last year, I also organized an event called Midnight Madness. As many of you know, I have been curating this event for quite some time now. It's been over 5 years that I've been into planning and executing one of these events. Of course, I had taken a sabbatical, a little break after I gave birth to my child, and then this year again I began. So in this video, I will give you a breakdown on how to curate your own event. Basically, I will give you a perfect breakdown on how to curate your own event. If you're planning to start something really small and on your own, then this can be your perfect start. When I started back in 2019, before COVID, I had started with just 20 stallers. But Alhamdulillah, now we are in touch with more than 80 stallers, and to the highest, we've gone to 95 stallers under one roof, accommodating so many people and dealing with so many stall owners and giving so many brands a chance to express themselves. Also, to remind you, these stall owners are all women. 99% of them are small business owners working from home, so they do need a platform, and if you can provide that for them, then it will be beneficial for both the parties. The step one in curating any of the event would be a good venue. Once you finalize on a good venue, you have to make sure that the venue can at least accommodate 40 to 50 stall owners. Step two would be sitting down and doing basic math. You have to decide how much you will be charging every stall owner, and your total cost will come to a particular amount. Your profit will purely be after deducting each and every expenses like rent of the venue, tables and chairs, some refreshments that needs to be arranged for the stall owners like water and some sort of snack, the money you spend on advertising, digital marketing, and maybe calling some of the influencers to promote your event. Basically, these will be your major expenses. Your calculation and your organization should be well planned in order for you to make a good profit. Step 3 is how to promote your event. You need a good strategy in order to pull a good gathering. If people in large number attend your event is automatically a success because every stall owners would make a definite sale. You have to understand a very crucial point here. that your main stakeholders are these stall owners or these business owners, because the crowd will come in and go out, but the stall owners will be there to give you the bittersweet feedback. If they are able to make a sale and if they have a wonderful time promoting and exhibiting their brand, I think your event is automatically a huge success. There are many promotional activities and strategies to pull a crowd, but we'll definitely have to make a separate video on that. Step 4 will be your organizational skills. Basically, you have to be on the ground, seeing that everything is curated very well. You need to give a specific designated place to each stall owners, making sure their product is well displayed, making sure that they are comfortable, there is enough lighting, and there is enough ventilation so that they are at ease. You will also need on ground support staff who will be managing and navigating your event, making sure event goes smoothly and there are no hiccups. Step 5 will be having a unique identity for your own event. For my event, usually I had made it from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. so that the shoppers have enough window to shop their heart out. Previously, we have also hosted fashion shows in between these events so that these brand owners can showcase their collection to the audience in a much better manner. Also called media channels to come and cover our event. So by using right promotional strategies, you can definitely pull a good crowd, and the stall owners can also make a very good sale. And as the evening goes by, the crowd gets bigger and better. This time we had Arijit Das, a beautiful singer on board who was performing live for us while the shopping was going on. After this, I went back to my son. I hope you have liked and enjoyed my video. See you in the next one. Bye.